Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be taking a look at DAM Vulnerable Web App, and I'm going to be going over the command execution section. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to DVWA Security, and you want to set this to low. So set it to low, and then click Submit. Next, I'm going to pass an IP address in here so we can kind of identify what's standard behavior. So I'm just going to put my router in, press Enter. It takes a couple seconds, and then we get back this output from the ping command, right? So if you've been using Linux, you should recognize this output, right? If we just do the same command here, so we're going to ping 3 times this IP address, you can see the output is pretty much exactly the same. So we can assume that whenever we pass an IP address, it's just being appended to the end of this command right here. So it's going to say, hey, ping whatever this user passes 3 times. So if there's no validation here, we can pass additional commands we want to run. So in Linux, we can use the double ampersand or the semicolon to say, hey, do this command too. So let's ping this, and let's also list the contents of this directory. So ping this IP 3 times, and then you can see it uses ls and lists the files on this machine. So let's go ahead and go back here. Let's copy this IP address, and let's just do semicolon ls. And you can see the same thing works, right? So if we wanted to, we could use wget and get a reverse shell, right? So now let's go over the medium settings. So let's go to DVWA Security. Let's set this to medium, submit. Let's go back here. So another way we can add additional commands to this ping statement is by using the pipe operator. The pipe operator is used in Linux and Unix-based systems to pass the output of one command as input to another. So this is powerful for creating like really nice one-liners, but it can introduce security vulnerabilities when not used carefully. If we just do ping ls, this is still going to just pass the output of ping to ls, which isn't going to do anything, but it's still going to execute ls. So it's still, you can see that ping fails. It says, hey, you didn't pass an address, but it still went ahead and executed ls. So if we go in here and we just say, hey, pipe that ping results to ls, you can see that we're just able to execute commands. So I can say, who am I, right? wget -help. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That was exploiting VWA on both low and medium security settings.